literally have spent so much time trying to find a Starbucks drink that I like and is not sweet and is not expensive. So let's try this one. This is just an iced coffee with cold foam. It looks
they're
fancy.
all expensive.
But I don't, did you try it already?
Yeah. But you have to really drink it to get the coffee. Otherwise, you just drink the top, you're just getting cold foam.
It's definitely not as sweet as last time, but it's still really sweet. Yeah. It's definitely the cold foam that makes it super
Sip
sweet.
it a lot more when you drink it.
Oh yeah. We got our Starbucks and my lipstick stain. And this guy. Take it off like all the way. Tomato.
Yeah, my face is warm.
You're gonna get burnt. You didn't wear any sunscreen. I did. I wear sunscreen in my areas of
You ready to go?
protection. Bye, beach. I'll miss you. I'll see you next week.
The baby's crying.
Yes, I can hear that. Bye to the ocean.
Goodbye to the ocean.
The sun definitely wears you out. I can't really stay there much longer. A good hour and a half of sun is good for me. Poisonous. Are you poisonous? Ah! Don't hit me. Yo, there's lime, yay! How does yours look? You can't eat it. This looks so good. Let's put the lime on it.
Julie, thank you
First?
for food. Please bless our guys, bless our trip and juice.
First bite, go. They're homemade.
Like that was good.
Wow. Oh my word. A little thank you card, and I stripped the bed, and we're getting all our stuff together. And we're leaving soon.